Honorable Mwengi Mutuse, Member of Parliament for Kibwezi West. Mr. Speaker, I, representing the people of Kajiado North, Mr. Speaker, I have gone through the motion and the issues that Wakili Mwengi Mutuse has raised. And Mr. Speaker, I pick on a number of issues that I would want to draw the attention of this House to. Number one, Mwengi Mutuse says that all we need to do is to just believe the things he has tabled here are true. We cannot believe what he says is true. We have to cross-examine. We have to look at them properly. Mr. Speaker, I have gone through the evidence that he has provided on some of the issues. And Mr. Speaker, having 21 companies, according to Mwengi Mutuse, is an intention for the Deputy President to launder money, and therefore he should be impeached. Mr. Speaker, he did not say money has been laundered, but it is an intention. And he says it is enough for this House to just believe and therefore impeach. Mr. Speaker, I say no to that impeachment. Number two, Mwengi Mutuse, former Chief of Staff in Machakos County Government and the current Member of Parliament, is giving hearsay that he has heard. Mr. Speaker, he has said in his submission that they were officers who were coerced to write to change in the Ministry of Lands without tabling any evidence from the document that he has provided. Mr. Speaker, this House cannot go with hearsay. It is not possible for you to make a decision out of hearsay. Mr. Speaker, in his accusations, he says that the Deputy President is a Mount Kenya person, makes issues based on Mount Kenya. I am the Member of Parliament for Kajiado North. He has visited my constituency for a development tour. The executive, through the State Department for Education, Mr. Speaker, constructed classes, courtesy of his visit in Enomatasiani Girls Secondary School, a school that rescues girls, specifically from asylum. Mr. Speaker, the only girls' school that we have in my constituency, the Great Kajiado North. Mr. Speaker, Mwengi Mutuse did not mention such issues, but he says, according to him, the Deputy President coerced, did 1, 2, 3, and Mr. Speaker, he wants to say that we just need to believe. Mr. Speaker, impeaching the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya needs more evidence than what he has provided. I find this to be very shallow. And Mr. Speaker, maybe in the words of the Chief Justice, this is hot air, in my opinion, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I have found very respectful submission from lawyers in this House,
yes, Mama Zamzam,
a majority of them.
Point of order number 87, Mheshimiwa Speaker. Mimi nataka nimjuze mbunge mwenzangu kuwa huyo alikuwa
naomba nisijuzwe.
Hapana,
naomba nisijuzwe.
She is on a point of order.
Mheshimiwa Speaker, nataka atoe statement of fact. Mheshimiwa Speaker, huyu mbunge aliyoko hapa, hata kama alikuwa akifanya kazi county hapa, amekuja ni mbunge na ametoa motion hapa. Mheshimiwa Speaker, na mimi nataka nimwelezee mbunge kuwa wasema kule wanaosema kufa abiria, kufa conductor, kufa dereva, huyu conductor ameweza kupickpocket maabiria wote, hawana chochote. Mheshimiwa Speaker, kwa hiyo aende tu nyumbani. Mheshimiwa Speaker.
Ngogoyo.